Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy, and today I am showing you this amazing app which I know that you might already know about, Khan Academy. This is an amazing app. You can use it on your website, you can use it as a website also, but let's assume that you have downloaded this app. Do you want to know what are the things you can do with this app? There's a lot of things you can do with this app. You can learn a lot of things. So let's go and see what we're gonna do. I have signed in already, by the way, and let's see. You can learn anything. Khan Academy supports many languages and regions. You can select your language from here. Or if it's there's also award-winning app for kids ages 2 to 7, which you can go and download for free. So let's get started. Let's get some courses. What grade I am in? I'm in the third. Actually, I'm gonna start first year university, second year. I'm gonna say third year. So what courses can we help you learn? These are not the things okay. Alright, let's see what we have first. Reading, life skills. Yes, this is what I want. Personal finance, I'd like to know. Reading and language arts. No. Test prep. Maybe even if you're a trainer, you might want to get ready for SAT, so why not? Computer science, computer programming. Let's see. World history projects. Art history, world history. I don't want anything. We can learn about economics, physics, chemistry, biology. Wow. I'm just gonna go with this two right now. So I will personal finance. So let's go click on that. This is a life skill because I am a communication that's my department is communication design, so there's not much of a thing there. There was an actual programming was there, but I haven't taken my programming lessons yet, so that's why I didn't choose it for now. So let's see. Wow, we have a lot of things. So we have advice for individuals. Let's see. So as you can see, this is unit saving and budgeting. This is what I need. That's what I need in my life. I need to save and I need to. The problem is I don't have a problem with budgeting. I have the problem with keeping myself in that budget. I cannot stay there for a long time. For example, I say I'm gonna spend like 100 Turkish liras per week, which is so hard with this inflation going on, and our economy is, so it's hard. But what we do, I'm setting a budget for myself, but then I go to market, then I just buy two sweet yogurts. I bought water, which is like 5 liter, and a gallon, you guys say, and then what was that? Then I bought something else more, but it wasn't something very expensive, and I paid 30 lira. Like, how am I supposed to survive 100 liras like this? But I'm pretty sure this Khan Academy is going to help me. I believe in this. I'm going to do my best. So what is the bare minimum I need to know to avoid ruin? And they are coming with real things. You see, what is the bare minimum I need to know to avoid ruining my life? Wow, let's go see, say, play. Questions about money.
It's typical in human psychology when something seems a little bit intimidating or something might give you answers that.
As you can see, this is like 2 minutes. I'm gonna listen. We can add it to our bookmarks, as you can see on the right top corner. So when we do that, you can see like we're home right now, right? And there's search and there's bookmarks. When we bookmark it, that's where we're gonna see it. We can also share this class with other people, which is amazing. I'm gonna send it to my best friend, because she also to my boyfriend, because we are not able to know how we can do that, you know. So what we're gonna do now, we also have, like you see, the same 2 minutes 11 seconds. There's this comment thing, kind of. Yeah, it's for subtitles. If maybe you want to learn things in English but you don't have all of them. And also we can change, we can make it where fat. Yeah, we can also go with the speed, play with the speed. That's good. And from here we're gonna make it small. This is amazing. I like that. Or we can also have the transcript. Maybe you don't want to watch it right now or something like that. I liked it, to be honest. So as you can see, I can see it from my recent lessons, which is amazing. Let's go to search. And here, as you can see, we have all these things: partner, content, life skills, task prep, computing, arts and humanities, economics, science, math, or we can go with surprise me.
So let's think a little bit about the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution. And this right over here, this is a picture of James Clerk Maxwell, and I really like this picture. It's with his wife, Catherine Maxwell, and I guess this is...
Okay, we have a lesson here. I don't want to watch it right now, but you can be surprised for real, or you can do some filtering, like partner content I want to go with. Let's say apply. Okay, apply, and what we're gonna do, let's just click here. Breakthrough Junior Challenge, talks and interviews, Camp Con, growth mindset. There's a lot of things you can see. So let's see that. Let me show you this bookmark thing. As you can see, I am here, right? This is it was thermodynamics. Let's say I have bookmarked, got it. Or let me bookmark this one. Let's go to our bookmarks. You see, now what can we do is we actually can download it. So we can play it offline, see it offline. Which I liked it. You know, this is amazing. Like, I love this app. Please go and use this app. I don't know. I'm gonna ask you these questions. Please answer in the comments. For example, you've seen all of them, right? Which grade are you, and why you actually want to? What do you want from Khan Academy? Please let me know in the comments. So don't forget to like this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel too, so we can see each other in the next videos.